What if becoming rich wasn't about cutting lattes, but about designing a life where money works quietly in the background while you enjoy the things you love? Today, we're breaking down Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich, the playbook that has helped millions of Americans escape financial stress and build automatic wealth. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal the one money move Ramit says can change your life even if you do nothing else. 1. The rich life. Define what rich means for you. Most people chase money without knowing why. Ramit flips the script. A rich life is personal. It could be first-class travel, paying off debt, a dream wedding, a cozy home, or just never stressing about bills again. Your money decisions start making sense only when you know what you're aiming for. You don't need millions to live a rich life. You need clarity. 2. The magic of automation. Set it once, get rich automatically. Ramit's #1 secret? Automate everything. Your paycheck comes in, and your system divides it automatically. 401k, Roth IRA, savings, bills, fun money. You don't rely on willpower. You don't rely on discipline. Your money grows while you sleep. This is the difference between people who get rich and people who try to get rich. 3. Kill your debt. Systematic, not emotional. Debt isn't a monster. It's math. Ramit gives 2 proven methods. Debt avalanche, pay highest interest first. Debt snowball, pay smallest balance first. Pick one, automate it, and watch the weight disappear month after month. Freedom is not $1 million. Freedom is not owing anyone anything. 4. Conscious spending. Spend more on the things you love. Here's the fun part. This book is not about cutting lattes. It's about building a conscious spending plan. 50 to 60% fixed costs, 10% investments, 5 to 10% savings, and 20 to 30% guilt-free spending. Yes, guilt-free. Ramit wants you to spend extravagantly on the things you love and cut mercilessly on the things you don't. Narration line. Money is meant to be enjoyed, not feared. 5. Investing. The simple formula that makes you rich. You don't need to be a stock market genius. You don't need complicated charts. Just follow the rich life formula. Step 1. Start early. Step 2. Invest automatically. Step 3. Choose low-cost index funds. Step 4. Let compound interest take over. The truth is, successful investing is boring, and that's exactly why it works. Your future wealth comes from what you do today, not what you think about doing someday. 6. Banking. Choose better accounts and stop losing money. Ramit is brutal about bad banks. He says, cut out fees. Choose a high-interest savings account. Use a credit card that rewards your lifestyle. A few simple changes can save you thousands without changing anything in your daily routine. 7. Big wins. Focus on the 5 money moves that actually matter. Ramit calls them big wins because they impact your entire life. 1. Automate your savings and investing. 2. Max out retirement accounts. 3. Negotiate a higher salary. 4. Pick the right credit cards. 5. Make your spending intentional. These 5 steps deliver more results than 50 tiny hacks combined. 8. The money move that changes everything. If you could do only one thing from this book, automate your money. Because automation beats discipline. Automation beats motivation. Automation beats forgetfulness. Set it once and let your future self say thank you every single day. Your rich life doesn't start when you hit a certain number. It starts when you take control. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need your first step. So today, What's one thing you'll automate? Because that small decision could be the moment your rich life begins.